exciting country for two reasons. First off, this is my final Scandinavian country that I've visited. This also is my 27th country, and I'm 27, so pretty cool. I got into Denmark yesterday. I took a train from Sweden. Meet up with some friends and do a walking tour this morning. I love starting off my trips in different cities with a walking tour because I just feel like it kind of gives you a rundown of the city and the big major parts that you might miss. I'm really excited and happy to be in Denmark because I feel like I'm going to love it here. Everyone here is known for being really environmentally friendly. Everyone rides a bike everywhere. It's kind of like the Amsterdam of the Scandinavian countries.
Alright, what do you think? This is the best thing you've ever seen.
Two excursions booked, or three if you include a pub crawl. I'm gonna do a pub crawl later. The first one, I'm going to a boat tour. It's by a company called Hey Captain, and so they're really known for not just a boat tour, but like a social boat tour. So people are going to be talking, and then after that, I'm going to go to this social experiment spa day. It's at a place called Copenhagen. The spa day is meant to be like, you're gonna sit in some hot tubs, some saunas, you can do a cold plunge, but the point is while you're doing that, you're talking to other people and getting to know other people. I'm just getting myself ready to go do that. I feel like traveling in the spring is so hard, and I think I packed so poorly for this trip because I thought it was going to be a little bit cold, but really the weather's been super warm lately. I think today is the first day that it's been like the weather that I thought it'd be, and that's why I'm wearing a sweater today. That is a struggle. I feel like a lot of people I talk to also packed the same way, and they're like, I might have packed silly. Some things to note about Copenhagen: you do have to pay at most restaurants for tap water. Like they'll charge you maybe like 10 crowns, so nothing crazy. But it's very different than Sweden, where like it was the law to just give everyone water, like tap water, anywhere you go. So that's a little interesting. I'm wearing my Bagu bag on this trip a lot. I love my Bagu bag, and I've always been bringing like a reusable water bottle, and then I'll fill it up places wherever I can throughout the day. Later on, I'm gonna go do a pub crawl with a company called Politically Incorrect Tours. We did a walking tour with them yesterday, and it was really fun. And the guy who owns it was one of our tour guides. He was super nice. So I think we're gonna have a good time on the pub crawl as well. So yeah, that's my day. Let's get out there.
Hello, Ramona. I can't could shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. For all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Happy birthday to you.
Getting drunk from 7 to 3. Overindulged in a flash like it's free. We're on a fast ride where monkeys killing time with machines. Making love that we don't even feel. You don't even notice if it's her or it's me. But somewhere deep in it's cutting like a knife, so you just kill it with that one. All of a sudden you are free.
Okay, it is the very last day of my trip, so I feel like in true Rome with Rach fashion, we have to go thrift shopping. We need to get some cool thrifted items to bring back to Canada with us. So I'm gonna go get something to eat, and then I'm gonna go and do some thrifting. Something that's really popular to eat in Copenhagen is like smørrebrød. I don't know how to say it, but I'll put the name on the screen. It's essentially like an open-faced sandwich, but don't be discouraged by how small it is because it's on this really dense rye bread, so it actually does fill you up like quite a bit. So don't try to eat like 5 pieces of it. Usually like 1 or 2 should be enough. I'm gonna go get some food and then I'm gonna go hit the streets. Last day, let's do some shopping, get my souvenirs, and go home to my lovely house. My voice is so raspy from the pub crawl last night. Back from thrift shopping now. I feel like I went so many places, but the only place I found something that I would actually like, because I feel like I have to actually like love something to thrift it when I'm in another country, because it's bulky in your bag. But it's just this sweater. It's so cute. It's like oversized, chunky. I wear sweaters all the time in Canada, so I love having a good sweater. And I feel like it's very Danish too, like the big chunky layers. We love it. So yeah, all I did today was like thrift and walk around the city, just enjoying my last day in Denmark, in Copenhagen. Denmark is really expensive, but it's really beautiful, and I highly recommend visiting. I'm glad that this is all my Scandinavian countries done. I feel like my favorite Scandinavian country, if I have to say though, is probably Norway. No, it's Iceland. Okay, it's like Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Denmark. That makes Denmark sound really bad. I think I just had more core memories in other places, so maybe that's why. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My name is Rome with Rach, and I post videos every single Sunday. But yeah, that's all. I'll see you next week. Bye guys.